Good morning, student. I am Satish Suryavanshi. I am maths teacher in Genbasov Pandram Mose Junior College, Aroda Pune 6. I welcome you all in maths e-learning session. Now we are going to start method of reduction. See here, in this application of matrix there are two methods, one of which is method of inversion and method of reduction. But already you learn this method of inversion, how to find the values of x, y and z by using the method of inversion. So now take this method of reduction. So take one example on this method of reduction. Solve the following equations by the method of reduction. So equations are x plus 3y plus 3z is 12, x plus 4y plus 4z is equals to 15, and x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 30. Here write down given equations are x plus 3y plus 3z is equals to 12. So give number 1. Now write second equation, x plus 4y plus 4z is equals to 15. So number 2 here. Here x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 30. So number 3 here. The above equations can be written in matrix form as ax is equals to say b. So here A is the matrix of coefficients of variable x, y and z, and x is the matrix of variable, b is the matrix of constant. So here A is the matrix of coefficients. So here 1 1 1 with the coefficient of this variable x is 1 1 1. Coefficient of y is 3 4 3 here, and then coefficient of z is 3 4 4 into matrix x y z, be a column matrix of variable, and then 12 15 13 be the constant matrix. Now by using elementary row transformation. So first obtain this one here, but in this matrix one is already present. Now to got these two zeros, first obtain this one, but here already it is present. Then now to got these two zeros one by one. So first using this R2 implies R2 minus R1. So where is change on the second. So that time element of first and third row it is it. So into matrix is equals to this matrix. It is 1 3 3 x y z. It is 12. Then it is 1 3 4. Then it is 30. So now apply here. R2 minus R1 means 1 minus 1, so it is 0. Then it is 4 minus 3, it is 1. 4 minus 3, it is 1. So it is 15 minus 12, which is 3. So now obtain this 0 here. So how to obtain this 0? By operating using this operation, R3 implies R3 minus R1. So into this matrix is equal to this matrix. So by using this R3 implies, very change on the third row. So that time element of first and second keep as it is, there is no change. So it is 1 3 3 x y z, then it is 12. and then element of second capacity is 0 1 1 3. Then now apply here. So it is the operation R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1 means 1 minus 1 it is 0. Then 3 minus 3 it is 0. Then 4 minus 3 it is 1. Then 13 minus 12 which is 1. So this is the matrix. So now take its product. Take the product of this matrix. Take product of this matrix, multiply by this row to this column, multiply by this row to this column, multiply by this row to this column. First multiply by this row to this column, means multiply by each element in this matrix and then add this here. 1 into x, it is x, plus 3 into y, it is 3y, plus 3 into z, which is 3. Now multiply by this, then 0 into x, which is 0, plus 1 into y, which is y, plus 1 into z, it is z, then 3. Then now multiply by this row to this column, 0 into x, which is 0, plus 0 into y, which is 0, plus 1 into z, it is z, it is 1. So then by using definition of equality of two matrices, so order is same. It is 3 by 1. It is 3 by 1. First condition is satisfied. Order is same and their corresponding elements are equal. So corresponding elements are equal. Means x plus 3y plus 3z is equals to 12. So 1 here. Now second equation, y plus z is 3. So number 2, and then z is equals to 1 here. Now substitute this value of z is equals to 1 in equation 2. So we get what? Put z is equals to 1 in equation number 2. We get, put here, so y plus 1 is equal to 3. So therefore y is 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Now putting the values of z and y in equation 1, putting the values of y is 2 and z is 1 in equation 1, we get, so what is equation 1? It is x plus 3y plus 3z is equals to 12. Now substitute this value in this equation. So here x plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 1, which is equals to 12. So x plus 6 plus 3 is equals to 12. So x plus 9 is equals to 12, means x is equals to 12 minus 9. So x is equals to 3. Therefore, the required values of x, y and z are, therefore the required values of x, y and z are, which is 3, y is 2 and z is 1 respectively, is your required values. So how to check whether it is correct or not? Values of x and y, x, y and z are correct or not? We put these values. X is 3, y is 1, 3, 2 and 1 in any one of the equation. Either put in this equation or in this equation or in this equation. if you put the value of x, y and z in this equation, if they satisfy the equation, then your answer will be correct. If it is not satisfy the condition, then answer will be wrong. But here substitute, verify it. If you put values here, 3 plus 6 plus 3, it is 12. Means values of x, y and z satisfies the equation. So therefore your answer is correct. So thank you.